Welcome to Westby. This is Sweet Rides and Sweet Pies 2025. Beautiful day here in Westby. You're having a great time.
It's the 10th year.
It's our 10th anniversary.
10th anniversary.
Yes, it is.
It's such a cool thing that I even came up for it. I came up.
Yes, 12-hour drive, I believe it was.
It was a long ways, but you know, it's worth it. It's a nice town, a lot of great cars. We're having a good time.
We're having a great time.
There's a lot of great rides. I understand there's a lot of great pies. They're going fast. I told them to save one piece of strawberry rhubarb, and I'm holding you responsible for that.
Okay, well, hopefully they kept it for you.
I think
everybody wants one of these things.
Well, what do you say we go check and see if they still got that?
All right, let's go check it out.
From the Dahl house?
From the Dahl Museum.
Dahl Museum, yes.
Yep.
And they go all the way back here to forever ago.
Exactly. Yep. Back at the turn of the century for sure.
Not this recent.
Not this recent.
The century before
125 years ago.
Yes.
Yeah. See, I believe it's in the Model T. I think they call that a mother-in-law seat, don't they? In the back.
They did.
Of those
That's exactly what it was called. Yeah.
Mother-in-law seat.
That's the rumble seat.
That's the rumble seat.
I always thought this color combo of yellow with orange wheels and of course the orange constructed is really nice. I've never had one of these, and I don't actually think I've ever driven a Model A. Can you believe it? I've driven supercars, I've driven microcars, I've driven everything on the planet. I don't think I've built Model Ts.
Yeah. Well, never a Model A.
1910 planetary transmission Buicks, but I don't think I've ever driven a Model A.
Wow.
Isn't that weird?
That's really weird.
I'm weird.
Thinking all the cars you've had and the availability of the Model A's. I mean, there have been millions of these things.
What's the matter with me? I must change that one of these days.
You need to get in one.
An all-time fave is the Crown Vic.
Absolutely.
Sunliner. And you know, the Merc version, you know, because this is a Sunliner.
Correct.
You know what the Merc version was called? I don't know. With the glass top?
No, I don't.
They were Sun Countries.
Okay.
It was Sun Country, had the same thing. Now this is probably, that's a reproduction top.
Okay.
Because they all, the tinting kind of like, you know, I don't know what it did, but it always started here. So that's got to be a reproduction top.
Tell you what, you want to stick around, you're going to get a reward. Can you stick around? Yeah, I'll tell them guys. You mind? Okay, I'd really appreciate that. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah,
that's what I thought.
Yeah,
that's the one.
Yeah, the chrome car.
You know, there's not a lot of chrome here. That beautiful Merc won best chrome, and he's leaving.
It's on his way out.
But he would have won best chrome. He did win best chrome. He just didn't get the award.
Right. He said he's going to stick around. So.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh.
He told me he's going to go tell the guys he's with that he's going to stick around and wait for us. And
so you are hoping I didn't lie to him.
Hoping you didn't lie to him. And I'm hoping I didn't, cross the numbers, Ben. It should have been 86 instead of 68. But I know it's 68. So that car and this beautiful car, it surely has a lot of chrome on it.
It deserves it. Yes. And he's going to stay. I really like this Mustang too. That was a father-daughter project.
Yes,
and they did.
This was our best of show last year.
No kidding, it's fantastic.
This car was very special.
Cody interior, 289.
Yep, that one's been heavily awarded here before.
Hi there.
5 times you really put the miles on today.
I know. Well, that's how I stay so slim and trim.
Yeah, sure. Dennis, we got one to sign here.
Sure.
This one's for my son.
This is all I'm really good for.
But you're really good at it.
I'm good at it.
You are. There you go, look.
Yeah, I'm one of the best at it.
Yeah, I've worked with a lot of people, but I'm telling you. Oh, yes.
Son is
Absolutely. Let's see what we look like here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Amazing.
Look at that.
Works for.
Excited. I'm going to eat some pie. That's my big decision.
You know, said this is the first time we've had this event for 10 years. I've never been able to get here in time for pie. Dennis comes to town. He, took those girls that saved me some pie, and he even thought of me.
I did.
What a great.
I'm that kind of guy, though. With this mustache, this is really quite a challenge, but I'm telling you, it's worth it.
And I love banana cream pie. That is my all-time favorite. I lot until right now. There is nothing better than that.
This is like rhubarb country. So I had to take the mic away from Garland. He was just going to talk all night. And it's got to end at some time. But this was a great show. Westby, Wisconsin, sweet rides and sweet pies. Great cars, but I'm telling you, these pies, especially that strawberry rhubarb,
It's the best.
it was absolutely the best. And for the first time in 10 years, Garland actually got a piece of pie. They're gone by the time, because he's the hardest working man in show business since James Brown died.
Thank you very much, Dennis. Thank you again for coming to Westby. We appreciate it very much.
Check out this show. It's a blast.